Hello, welcome to this demo e-mutation under the NLRMP. While starting this e-mutation process, we have to use the Internet Explorer or any explorer. In that we can use the URL 10.187.203.134. This is the state URL used for the e-mutation process. Under that various modules of NLRMP are there. We can use eFairPar, edit module, ODE module, MIS module, ODC module, OCU module, ODBA tool, user creation online module, OHCS module, PDF generation, FAQs is there, and Mahabulek site for viewing the Satbara online portal. Uh, for e-mutation process, we can start with this eFairPar option module and go click it. After that, it displays all the districts of Maharashtra. Among that, we can start with our work with Akola district. Click on the Akola district, then continue to this website. Now the login page will display. In that, user has to enter their Sevarth ID, that is the user ID and password of their this process. This is REV RVD M6801. This is the user ID of one Talati, Mr. Divekarji. Using the password, they can enter to this portal. Now press login. After that, it will we have to select the digital signature, and after selecting the proper digital signature, it will ask for the PIN number. After giving the PIN number, we can enter in this e-mutation e-fairpar. If a wrong user ID is given, after successful login, it will display the district name, taluka name, his login ID, name of that particular talati, and date and time. Okay. Now after that, after successful login, it will display the villages assigned to that particular employee. That is, now we will among these four villages, we will select for the e-mutation process. We will select Khadki Buzruk. That we have to click the option Niuda. It will display the village name, census code, and total number of survey numbers of that village is displayed on the screen. After selecting that Khadki, we have to go for these various options. That is dashboard, फेरफाराची माहिती, अहवाल, additional reports, अनोंदणीकृत फेरफार, नोंदणीकृत फेरफार, न्यू खाता तयार करणे, data signing. Like that, there are various options are available for these talatis. Under that, we will select the फेरफारची माहिती, and for taking the new फेरफार, we will go for फेरफाराची माहिती भरणे. We have selected फेरफाराची माहिती भरणे for the new फेरफार, new e-mutation. After that, it will give the three options: नवीन फेरफार, फेरफार निवडा आणि रद्द करा. Like this, we will select for नवीन फेरफार for new e-mutation. It generates, after selecting the new फेरफार, it will select the automatic new फेरफार number, that is mutation number is 21274. Then we have to select the type of mutation, that is Kharedi, Boja, E-Karar, Taran, Varas. These are the types, various types of mutations. Under that, we will select the first number Kharedi. Kharedi means purchase. This is a फेरफार regarding the purchasing. After that, we have to select the फेरफाराची माहिती मिळाल्याची दिनांक. After the transaction, whenever we receive the document from the citizen or the farmer, the date of that date is 26/9/2016 and now we will select फेरफाराची माहिती भरा. In that there are 5 options are there regarding these mutations. First is दस्ताची माहिती भरणे, लिहून देणाऱ्याची माहिती. थर्ड इज लिहून घेणाऱ्याची माहिती. फोर्थ इज लिहून देणारे व घेणारे यांच्या क्षेत्राच्या देवाणघेवाणाची माहिती. अँड फिफ्थ इज इतर अधिकाराची व संमती देणाऱ्याची माहिती. These 5 options we have to go one by one. First we will select दस्ताची माहिती. Under that SRO office, if it is registered with the SRO, then that office name we have to give. दस्त क्रमांक. Here we have to select the Akola. Then दस्त क्रमांक means document number is 2214. Document date is the transaction was on 10th May 2016. दस्ताची किंमत 3 lakhs. माहिती जतन करा. Now we have to save that record. Then we have to go for the next option, लिहून देणाऱ्याची माहिती. That is the seller name. Seller detail we have to give. If the seller is a account holder in that village, then we have to write his account number, that is a khata number. Otherwise you can search, or otherwise you can create new one also. Here the khata number is 12922. Name is Ashok Sonaji Kamble. We have to select it. If we know the account number, then we select that landholder's account. Seller's account holder is available in the database. Now the process is going on. We have selected the land of Ashok Sonaji Kamble. That is area is 0.0093. Now we have selected. Now we will go for लिहून घेणार. That is a purchaser. If he is new, or he may be existing landholder of that village. If we know the khata number, then we select that account number of that purchaser. लिहून घेणाऱ्याची माहिती शोधा. He is Mr. Sanjay Manohar Anasane. We will select that account number, and if it is correct, then we can continue the next. Now we select the proper purchaser of this land. Its account number is 17827. 18. If you give the proper account number of that landholder, then it will display the account number. His name Ramdas Vishnu Shekokar is a purchaser of this land. Okay, we will select it, and now go for the fourth option, लिहून देणारे व घेणारे यांच्या क्षेत्राच्या देवाणघेवाणाची माहिती. Now we can see the लिहून देणारे व घेणारे खाते यांची माहिती. Seller and purchaser detail is here. Now seller is Ashok Sonaji Kamble with having the land of 0.093, and he is selling to that person Ramdas Vishnu Shekokar. Now we have to make a transaction details here. Now we have the Ashok Sonaji Kamble sell 0.093 land. Okay, now we have to update it. Then we will go for the last option, इतर अधिकाऱ्याची व संमती देणाऱ्याची माहिती. क्लिक ऑन दिस काम संपल्याची घोषणा करणे. देन संमती, इफ संमती इज देअर देन होय, अदरवाइज नाही देन वी गो फॉर द डिटेल्स ऑफ द ट्रान्झॅक्शन, व्यवहाराचा तपशील पाहणे. The software will display the whatever the transaction is there, लिहून देणारा, लिहून घेणारा, then SRO name, then SRO दस्त क्रमांक, date and the amount. Now this is a पूर्वावलोकन. In that, if the whatever the transaction we have taken, if it is verified and if it is okay, then and then we go for the next process. Otherwise we can stop here or we can cancel the process. Now the account holder, the Ashok Sonaji Kamble, has sell his total land, so he came in under bracket, and the mutation is 21274, and the same by the same mutation number the transaction was done to Ramdas Vishnu Shekokar, and the mutation number is 21274 with land of 0.093 area. Okay, now we will save that information, total details of the transaction. This is a preview of that transaction, preview of Satbara. Now we are saving the Satbara. Now this is the verification of that mutation, that is Fairfar number is 21274. Fairfar, this mutation type is Kharedi, survey number is 22/1/52, and धारकाची माहिती means seller is Ashok Sonaji Kamble, and purchaser is Ramdas Vishnu Shekokar with the land of 0.093. If the information is and total transaction is okay, then we will select the button माहिती बरोबर आहे. Then we will save these details. This is a total process of Kharedi mutation. Now it is saving the data. After that, the total माहिती साठवली, फेरफार क्रमांक is 21274. This is the total process of e-mutation purchase type. Now we can go for the फेरफार register चा उतारा. The mutation register, it will display the mutation register. This is the गाव नमुना 6 फेरफार नोंदवही, that is the mutation register. Here the mutation number, the details of the mutation, and affected survey numbers, and the name of the talati who is taking this mutation is came here. It is R.V. Devikar, talati Khadki Bujruk Saja, Taluka Akola, Jilla Akola. Now he can sign this mutation register with the digital signature. By giving the PIN number and selecting the proper DSC, you can sign the mutation register. This is a digital signing on this mutation register. Now data signed. Data is not signed successfully, that we have to again go for this. After, after data is signed successfully, we can continue our work. Now it is successfully digitally signed. Data is signed successfully. Now after signing digitally, we will go for this creation of this notices, 9 number notice. नमूना 9 नोटिस तैयार करने. Now we select the mutation number for the creation of this 9 number notice. Then show the notice number 9. Now it will display the generated notice 9. This is the notice format namuna 9. The mutation number is 21274. Again the details is mutation type is kharedi, and the purchaser and seller details, what are the size of that land. Now we will go for this digital signature on this 9 number notice. Same process we have to repeat. Digital sign, pin number, then this will display the 9 number notice digitally signed. Now it shows the digitally now this is a digitally signed 9 number notice completed. It has to serve to that party. Then we will go for notice details, means notice दिल्याची तारखा भरणे. The dates on which the notices was served, the details have to fill here. This is done after the notice has served to that party, that customer. Then here we have to select the mutation number. These are the number of mutations. Our mutation number is 21274, that is type of kharedi. Now we will enter the dates on which we have served the notice. Now we will save that date, that is 29th. हरकतीचं झाल्यावर मग काय झालंच ना फायनल. Now after filling the dates of notices, now we go for the objection details, that is हरकतीची माहिती भरणे. If any objection is there, then they can enter this object. Now we select the फेरफार number 21274. हरकतीचा शेरा भरणे option is there. This is the last process in this login. After that the process is completed. If the objection comes, that you have to write here, if whatever the objection is there. If objection is not received from any of the customer or the user, then we will go for हरकत प्राप्त झाली नाही and we will select it. But this process requires some time. After serving this notice, if objection comes, you have to write it. Now this completes the total mutation process of the Talati login. After that, the same mutation goes to the circle officer login, and using that circle officer login, they will process the certify that e-mutation, and the process will complete. Now for this, minimum 15 days are officially required for processing this mutation. Now after this process, objection known, that is harkat option, this complete the Talati login process. After 15 days, the same mutation will be certified from the circle officer login, and the mutation will be certified online. Thank you.